Hi, it's Neil. Welcome back to my office, and today I have the Wazor Health and Beauty hair dryer. Let's check this out. It says it's got 3 heats, 2 speed settings, 2 powerful lightweight AC motor, 3 it has 1875 watts, so this thing should get pretty hot, and 4 says negative ion conditioning. I don't know what that means, do you? And 5 is detachable air inlet filter. Well, I don't even know. So let's see. So that's, I guess you can clean it. So let's check this thing out and see how it looks. Here, I'll show you the box so you can see what it looks like there. There's that side, if you're interested. There's some more stuff if you really want to pause it and read it or something. And I think that's the whole thing. Okay, so let's see. So here's the box. And first thing we have is some instructions in case you don't know how to use a hairdryer. And then the hairdryer. And then this piece. And so that's it. So that's everything that comes in there. So this is one of those ones that lets it go, you know, out in the stream like that. And then here's the hairdryer. So let's see how this looks. So here we go. So you can see there it's got the buttons on the side, and then you push this button here, I'm assuming, for the cold. So one way to do this is to try it out. My hair is mostly dry already because I'm a dude and I have short hair, but this one's not gonna be for me. And you can see here the plug, it has the little GFCI thingy or whatever they call it there, the circuit breaker. So if you drop this in the bathtub, hopefully you won't die. Plug this thing in here, my power strip I have here on the floor. And we'll give it a sure try, so let's see. So we have here there it says cool, warm, and hot. And then here we have off, low, and high. So let's try low and hot. And it's low and hot, kind of has a little bit of a smell. I'm guessing because it's the first time it's been turned on. But there we go. Woo! Blow me away! So pretty much does what it says. It sounds like normal. I guess this is the removable filter here. So I just rotated it a little bit and turned it. And then I guess it comes out somehow out of there. I'm not sure. I might have to read the instructions to find out how to do that, but here's the filter, I guess, for you. So if you need to take that off. Seems pretty good. Now let's try it with this thing on. This is kind of nice, it snaps on. I've seen some of these before and they just kind of pressure on, but this one here snaps on. And it blows it in a certain direction. Now, so kind of good, I guess, if you want to aim more specifically. Works good for that. I don't know if you can hear that, but if you wanted to aim it a certain way, I guess it's gonna work good for that. And it just snaps off. That's what it looks like in that area. And then the back is like that. It seems pretty good. I mean, sometimes I know these things, oh, here it does slide around a bit, so you can probably take it off. But it gets the fuzz on it and you just kind of wipe it off. Seems good. It's got a little hook right here, which is nice. I know some don't have that, so it's kind of nice so you can just hang it up next to the sink or wherever you dry your hair. And I like this one. Seems pretty good. I'm taking this one with me as I go to Florida next week. So I'll be dropping it off there and keeping it at the house there. So this will be my main hairdryer for that location. And use it for like when my mom comes to visit, or if I need to dry off the dogs or something like that with when they get a bath. So I'm giving this thing a thumbs up. I like it. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you can buy one for yourself. I'll also be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, because you should be doing that. You should be liking all my videos. And I like it. Thumbs up from me. Be sure to stay tuned, and I'll be back with some other videos where I review some other stuff. Mostly I'm getting new things that I'll be using in the house in Florida now. So we'll see what comes up next. It could be another kitchen item. It could be another beauty item that I'll have to keep down there. So we'll find out. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.